Building a successful platform takes more than transactions. Over a decade and a half, it takes people, structure, collaboration, and a long-term vision.
I'm Paul McCormick. I'm the partner sales management here at Ariel Property Advisors. I manage investment sales, capital services, recruiting, and professional development.
Over the years, Ariel's Capital Services Group has grown into a key part of the firm's advisory business.
First coming in to build a platform within a platform, there's a lot of processes and procedures and thought that comes into it. Then you start recruiting the right brokers. You have to establish a brand for the company. Where we are today is a well-established capital services, debt and equity brokerage firm, working hand in hand with investment sales. Our ability to advise clients on what the right move is, whether it is to recapitalize or whether it is to sell, is paramount for our success. And where we are today, closing billions of dollars on the financing side, we have instant credibility, we have proven capabilities, we have lending relationships that get deals done, and our ability to be nimble and structure is helping lead our success.
A strategic partnership helped expand Ariel's reach far beyond New York City.
So GREA is a phenomenal opportunity for us here in New York City. Our affiliation has allowed us to expand our reach from a capital services perspective from coast to coast throughout the country. Where historically we've been able to do deals throughout the country just from our relationships that own in other markets, and we've been able to excel there. Now we're getting introductions, we're getting research, we have our finger on the pulse, all the markets throughout the country, and we've been able to expand on those relationships in a big way.
Bridging two sides of the business creates a more connected advisory approach.
So the similarities between investment sales and capital services, on the one hand, are obvious, but on the other hand, everyone's so busy they might not be paying attention to each other. So managing both groups allows each group to prioritize each other and realize that they're speaking to the same relationships, the same investors, just about different topics. So learning to hunt together, to advise together, to work as a group, and to see how financing has a positive impact on the advisory, when selling is the right move, being able to do evaluation work to be able to let somebody know what their property is worth today and why. Going from rather than looking at it as a transaction, but going at it now much more from a holistic advisory approach is something that our relationships have enjoyed, and it's led to more transaction volume on both sides of the company.
At Ariel, building the right team starts with finding the right people.
First off, you want to know that somebody has passion for real estate, that they're looking at this as a marathon, not a sprint, that it's not an instant success. This is a tough business. You want somebody that's going to come in as a problem solver, looking to persevere, and then I want to make sure that they work well in a team, right? We're a little bit unique in the fashion that we don't have silos, we work collaboratively as a team, and we want to make sure somebody that's going to come in is going to mesh well with that team. Putting that to the side, entrepreneurial spirit, somebody that wants to build relationships, wants to grow their business, there's no better platform to do that. The amount of support that we surround somebody with, the onboarding training, the consistent follow-up training, somebody that comes in with the entrepreneurial spirit, with all the soft skills, looking to collaborate and utilize the support is a perfect formula for success.
At Ariel, long-term success starts with training, mentorship, and continuous development.
Training and career development is extremely important here at Ariel. We are firm believers, the more that you put in, the more you get out. And giving somebody the right foundation, understanding how to represent themselves, how to represent the company, how to tap in and utilize all of the resources that we have. Once somebody's confident and competent in the 101 and who we are and what we do, everything else flows from that in a much easier way. So we invest a lot of time and resources to the onboarding training and the consistent training throughout to help somebody achieve success.
Through collaboration, training, and a long-term approach, Ariel continues to invest in both its people and its platform. Learn more on our website.